Installing knobs on cabinet doors can be intimidating because you're trying to locate it in an exact position. A good rule of thumb is centered on the vertical stile and lined up with the edge of this horizontal rail. But you usually don't have to do that on just one door. You have to do it on door after door. So how do you make that happen without a lot of marking and measuring and the potential for error that goes along with it? The trick is to use a jig like this cabinet hardware jig from Kreg. It has an edge guide that makes sure you're going to be centered or located how far you want to be from the edge, and it has built-in measuring scales that will allow you to measure from the end of the door or center it. So all you have to do is put the edge guide against the door, line it up where you want, in this case centering on that edge, and clamp it down. Now you're ready to drill. Because it has a built-in hardened steel drill guide, you know the hole's gonna be straight. And since the jig is all set up, I can go from door to door to door and know that I'm gonna get accurate, consistent results every time.